It's a Tuesday afternoon. You're looking at $847 sitting in your PayPal account, money you made in the last 7 days. You didn't drive anywhere. You didn't take orders. You didn't sit in a meeting. You wrote content for businesses using ChatGPT, a Google Doc, and a free scheduling tool. That's not a fantasy. That's a model that's working for people right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know every single step. Here's why most people fail to make money online, and it's not what they think. It's not because they're not smart enough. It's not because they don't have time. It's because they pick strategies that are too complicated to start. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing funnels, building a SaaS product. These all work eventually, but they have steep learning curves, high startup costs, or months before the first dollar. The ChatGPT content service model has none of those problems. You can close your first client before the weekend. You need $0 to start. And the skill required? Writing clear emails and delivering simple content. That's it. Here's the exact model. You offer local businesses, restaurants, salons, gyms, law firms, real estate agents, a done-for-you social media content service. They pay you a flat monthly retainer, typically $300 to $600 per month per client. You use ChatGPT to generate the content. You review it, clean it up, and deliver it. Some clients want you to schedule it too. You use a free tool like Buffer to do that. Time per client per week, 2 to 4 hours once you have a system. 5 clients at $400 each, $2,000 a month. Part-time hours. The business owner doesn't care that you're using AI. They care that the content is good, it shows up on time, and they don't have to think about it. Don't try to serve every type of business. Pick one vertical and go deep. Why? Because when you specialize, you become the obvious choice. A gym owner trusts someone who says, "I specialize in fitness businesses," over someone who says, "I do social media for everyone." Good starter niches, local restaurants and cafes, personal trainers and fitness studios, real estate agents, beauty salons and med spas, financial advisors. Pick the one where you already know something or where you personally spend money. That's your edge. Before you reach out to a single business, build one sample deliverable. This is a fake client project. Pick a business type in your niche, say a coffee shop called Harbor Roast, and create a full week of Instagram content for them. Here is the exact ChatGPT prompt to use. You are a social media manager for a local coffee shop called Harbor Roast. Write 5 Instagram captions for this week. The tone should be warm, local, and conversational, not corporate. Each caption should be under 150 words and include a call to action. Topics: Monday motivation, a new seasonal drink launch, a behind-the-scenes barista moment, a weekend vibe post, and a customer loyalty shout-out. Run that prompt. You'll get 5 captions in under 30 seconds. Format them in a Google Doc. Add a simple header. That's your portfolio. You don't need a website. You don't need ads. You need a Google Maps search in 20 minutes. Open Google Maps. Search your niche in your city. Coffee shops near me. Personal trainers in Austin, whatever fits. Look at their Instagram or Facebook pages. If they're posting inconsistently every few weeks, bad images, no engagement, that's a warm lead. They need help, but haven't fixed it yet. Send them a message. Keep it short. Here's the template. Hey, I help businesses in your space grow their social media presence with done-for-you content. I put together a quick sample for a business like yours. Would it be okay if I sent it over? No pitch, just want to show you what it looks like. Short, specific, low pressure. The goal is not to sell on the first message, it's to get permission to send the sample. Out of every 20 messages, expect 2 to 4 replies. Out of those, 1 to 2 will turn into a paid client. When they say yes to seeing the sample, send the Google Doc. Follow up 48 hours later with this line. Happy to build this out for you every week. I keep it simple. Flat monthly fee, I handle everything, you just approve the content before it posts. Want to hop on a quick 10-minute call? On the call, keep it to 3 things. 1. What you'll deliver, how many posts per week, which platforms. 2. How the approval process works. You send a doc, they approve, you schedule. 3. The price. Quote between $300 and $500 depending on the scope. If they push back on price, reduce the scope, not the rate. Once you have 2 or 3 clients, you'll notice the work gets faster every week. You'll build swipe files, prompts that work well for each niche. You'll have templates. You'll know each client's voice. This is the point where upgrading your tools makes sense. One tool worth mentioning here is Jasper AI. While ChatGPT is great for drafting, Jasper is built specifically for marketing content. It has brand voice settings, campaign workflows, and team collaboration features. When you're managing 5 or more clients, Jasper can cut your content production time in half. There's a free trial if you want to test it against your ChatGPT workflow. The goal for month 3, 5 clients at $400 average. That's $2,000. Some people hit that in month 1. Let's talk about the mistakes that slow people down, because most of them are avoidable. Mistake 1. Waiting until everything is perfect. People spend 2 weeks building a website nobody will look at. You don't need a website to get your first client. You need a sample and a message. Mistake 2. Undercharging to get clients. Charging $50 a month signals low quality. Businesses expect to pay for real services. If you charge $50, they'll expect $50 quality work and be a nightmare client. Start at $300 minimum. Mistake 3. Delivering without a review step. AI makes mistakes. Names wrong, facts off, tone inconsistent. Always read every piece of content before it goes to the client. Your reputation lives or dies on quality control. Mistake 4. Only having one client. One client canceling will ruin your month. Always be looking for the next client, even when things are going well. Here is your exact action plan for the next 7 days. Day 1. Pick your niche. Write it down. Don't overthink it. Day 2. Use the ChatGPT prompt from this video to build your sample. Format it in Google Docs. Days 3 and 4. Find 20 businesses in your niche using Google Maps. Check their social media. Flag the ones with inconsistent posting. Day 5. Send 20 outreach messages using the template. Days 6 and 7. Follow up with anyone who replied. Book calls. Send samples. That's the whole thing. 1 week from now, you could have your first client conversation. That conversation could close, and the week after that, you'll have money from a business that doesn't know or care that you used AI to make it happen.